Hello, good morning. This is Mark, and you've seen my last video. I had problems with capacitors being too large, and I'm testing the AC coming out of the voltage divider, and it measures 9.13 volts. And it's hard to do this with only two hands. The voltage coming out of the voltage regulator is 1 here is not touching right. Whoops. Oh, I had it on AC, not DC. That's why. Here, 5.03 volts DC. So that's good. Now, what I'll do is measure the current levels. To prove that it's a power supply current saver by putting it in, measuring this yellow wire like that. And it measures 0.16 amps. Yeah. Okay, now down at the coming out of the wall here. Oh, it measures 0.1, 0.09, 0.08, 0.07, down to 0.065. That's really good. That's more than 50%. Because 0.08 would be 50%. It's going right down to 0.05. Because what we measured coming out of the voltage divider was 0.16. So what I have to do is just, test this for about 10 or 15 minutes to make sure nothing goes wrong with the circuit, so the capacitors don't pop or anything. But now these big capacitors here, this one and this one, are 470 microfarads. And it's these two here in the middle that we put in series that I take the output from, giving 9 volts. And one is 330 microfarads, and then the other one I think is 270 or 220 microfarads or something. And when you wire them in series, the capacitance goes down. And there's something peculiar about this voltage divider, because the lower the capacitance, the more voltage it drops over it, which is the opposite from a DC voltage divider. using resistors. The higher the voltage, the higher the ohms, the resistance, the more voltage drops over it. So I'll be experimenting with that more because you'll be able to save more current that way. If I only drop about 1 volt or less over each of these big capacitors, then I'll have about 13 or 14 volts coming out as the output going to the bridge rectifier, and that would save even more current, because 13 14 volts is a lot more than 9 volts. Make a big difference. And this unit here is available on Amazon. It only costs $3 plus shipping. I think it comes all the way from China though. So I'll be putting all this in a case, and then I'll have a product to offer, and I'll get some funding for that, I hope. You see the 2 diodes down there, see, one there and one there. Okay, I guess that's all I can think about that. I just connected that transformer there. It puts out about 14 or 15 volts. So I have to solder this voltage divider onto this breadboard, this strip board, I mean, and put it in there. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.